Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to be doing something a bit different, bit of junk food tonight. We've actually got some battered sausages, vegan battered sausages. I've got these from Aldi, I think it was. Got some frozen chips as well, and we're going to be using my new Ninja air fryer. It's the Flexdrawer 10.4 litre. We're going to be using both sections tonight, but we're going to be using the sync mode as well. So the chips are going to take a bit longer than the battered sausages. So let's get it loaded up into the air fryer. Please, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It really does make a difference, and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you are alerted every time a new video goes up. So here they are. These are the plant-based plant menu from Aldi in the UK. 2 battered no pork sausages. We've also got some chunky chips, frozen chunky chips made from Mary Piper potatoes, and we're going to be using today the Ninja Flexdrawer air fryer. Let's get it loaded up into the baskets. So there we are. We've got 4 of these battered sausages in the zone 1, and we've got our frozen chips in zone 2. So now we're going to put those into the air fryer, and we're going to turn on the Ninja. Okay, so what I want to do is push the sync button. We want to go to air fry mode, and we're going to go zone 1 is going to be 200, and I think I might take that down actually to about 180, and we're going to go for 20 minutes on that. And then zone 2 is going to be air fry, and we're going to go for 25 minutes, I think, at 200 for that. So all we need to do now is push the start button. As you can see, zone 1 is on hold, and zone 2 is counting down. When zone 2 gets to 20 minutes, then zone 1 will kick in and start cooking the battered sausages. So let's see how they do. And as you can see now, both zones are cooking, zone 1 and zone 2. I'm just going to pull out the drawer so you can have a look inside. So I'll give them a shake in about another 5 minutes, I think. Okay, let's get this drawer open, and we'll just give them a bit of a toss in there. Because it's the flex drawer, if I start shaking the drawer, I'm going to shake the other zone as well. So this zone I'm just going to turn over by hand. This is for me and my wife tonight, so I'm not going to eat all 4 of these. I'm going to have 2 each. So giving them a quick shake and turn. If it was the dual drawer, I could take out one of the drawers, give it a shake, put it back in. But it's a little sacrifice, but we've got a massive drawer there, 10.4 litre capacity, 5.2 litres per drawer. Right. Let's leave this to cook. And it's now just about to finish, and it's in cool down mode. I'm just going to turn it off. It's finished cooking. Goodbye, it says, and let's have a look and see how they're doing. Look at that. They look so good. Let's get them on a plate. Doesn't that look good? Battered sausages and chips, but all plant-based, and I'm going to use the Heinz vegan mayo, some salt, and I'm going to tuck right in. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave any comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, guys.